Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 56. He whose mind is not shaken up by adversity and who in prosperity does not hanker after pleasures, who is free from attachment, fear and anger, is called a sage of steady wisdom.
Chapter 2, Shloka 56. Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha sukeshu vikatasprukhah vitaragabhayakrodah sthidatir munirvuchyate.
Chapter 2, Shloka number 56. From the previous Shloka, we have a description of the man of steady wisdom. A man of steady wisdom was described as the one who has sacrificed all his petty desires and is satisfied in the self by the self. In this shloka, Lord Krishna explains more attributes by which we can recognize a man of steady wisdom. In the previous shloka, his role as an actor was described. Now, in the present shloka, his role as an experiencer is explained. He is not affected by the conditions of the body. He is steady and his equipoise is not broken in joy or in sorrow. Three main emotions of attachment, fear and anger, are absent in him. Unlike a common man who is helpless and hopeless, he is a master in all situations of life. He is the perfect one. He has overcome attachment, which is the cause of all pain and sorrow. Adversity comes to him, but his mind is not shaken. And when there is prosperity, he is not greedy for more. This is possible because he is blissful in the experience of the self. Anger is an emotion which rises when our desires are not fulfilled because of some obstacle which comes between us and the object of our desire. When our desire is strong, there rises a sense of fear of not attaining it, and after it has been fulfilled, there arises a fear for the security of the acquired object. The man of steady wisdom, the perfect one, is extremely peaceful as he is beyond the reach of the three sources of sorrow, that is, within, without, and unseen. Unlike fire, which increases when fuel is added, in a man of steady wisdom, the fire of desire doesn't increase when more pleasures pour in. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.